Hey guys, welcome back to another LEGO Train Mock video. So today I'll be reviewing 3 locomotives and 2 rail cars. So this one is the first. It's a Union Pacific Alco S4. I'm not sure if there's still any around, but here's the thing, I guess. It has interior too. It's the same on both sides. You can kind of see that there's someone in there, and there's controls in there too. And this one's actually like a cool one that I like. And also all these models run curves and switches. And the next one is a powered boxcar. And it uses the motors from a set from like recently. It's pretty basic. Decent speed, but can only haul like 2 cars. The next one is this little hand cart, I think. It has 2 people on there. And it goes like this. Next one is this electric locomotive inspired by Pennsylvania Railroad locomotives and the Kennecott copper locomotives. Just the wheels. And it even has like those on both ends. And I'm pretty sure it has interior too. I'm not sure how well you can see in there. But there's 1 person and 2 things it controls. Then on both sides it has these little doors that lead to like mechanical components. If I take off that part, you can see these, which are like the giant batteries then, and they're in both parts, or both sides of the locomotive. And it has 2 lights. And this does go up and down, but it's very fragile. And the next one, which is also the final one, is an abandoned Toledo steam locomotive based on the Tooele Valley Railway's Toledos. The tender is like this, I guess. Of course, it's got holes. And this thing was meant to look like it was burnt, I guess. And then this whole thing did have more parts on it at one point. But this is what this looks like. There's overgrown cab controls. And then the 2 wheels missing here. And the red wheels is discoloration. And this one has a special feature, which is it glows like a blue from the firebox. Because there's a light brick in here. But that's pretty much going to be it for today's video, so see y'all in the next one. Bye.